Welcome back to the channel Mr. Wheel Wonders. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting and talked about luxury vehicles of the future, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Mercedes has taken the legendary comfort, sophistication, and technology of the S-Class sedan and stretched it into a full-size motorhome designed for long-distance travel, executive comfort, and futuristic living on wheels. And trust me, this thing looks like it rolled straight out of tomorrow. From the moment you see it, the 2026 S-Class Motorhome makes a statement. The exterior mixes the elegance of the S-Class with the sculpted, aerodynamic body of a high-end concept vehicle. Smooth flowing lines, a floating glass roofline, and a grille inspired by the Maybach design language instantly separate it from any traditional RV on the road. The massive LED digital headlight array adapts in real time, and the rear light bar stretches seamlessly across the body, giving the entire vehicle a futuristic presence both day and night. And of course, Mercedes didn't shy away from comfort. The air suspension system automatically adjusts to road conditions, providing that iconic S-Class ride, even at full motorhome size. But let's step inside, because the interior is where this motorhome truly earns its S-Class name. The cabin feels more like a luxury penthouse suite than a vehicle. Mercedes uses its signature combination of Nappa leather, open-pore wood, brushed aluminum, and customizable ambient lighting to create an atmosphere that feels both serene and high-tech. The panoramic smart glass windows can tint at the push of a button, giving you light when you want it and privacy when you don't. The living area features a pair of fully reclining massage seats with heating, cooling, and individual entertainment screens powered by the latest MBUX Hypervision interface. You get AI-assisted navigation, real-time route optimization, and full voice control that feels natural and intuitive. And unlike traditional motorhomes, the 2026 S-Class design keeps the interior open and airy with smooth curves, floating surfaces, and hidden storage compartments that maintain a minimalist luxury aesthetic. Moving further back, the kitchen space is compact but extremely functional. You'll find an induction cooking surface, a smart refrigerator, touch-activated cabinets, and a fold-out table. Mercedes engineered everything to operate silently, reducing noise to keep that signature S-Class calm even while preparing meals. The lighting throughout automatically adapts to your activity, brighter for cooking, warmer and softer for relaxation, and cool tone for night driving. The bedroom is where the motorhome takes luxury to the next level. The queen-size smart bed adjusts its firmness automatically as you sleep, and the panoramic ceiling window gives you an open view of the night sky. Soundproofing is exceptional, and the integrated climate system monitors temperature and humidity to keep conditions ideal. Even the bedding materials were chosen for breathability and comfort on long journeys. And yes, Mercedes even refined the bathroom. It features a rainfall shower, high-pressure water-saving systems, and antimicrobial surfaces for cleanliness on the go. The entire room feels like a compact spa, continuing the theme of quiet luxury. On the tech side, the 2026 S-Class Motorhome includes advanced autonomous driving capabilities, allowing hands-free cruising on compatible highways. A 360-degree drone camera system can launch and land automatically, giving you aerial views of your campsite or surroundings. Solar panels integrated into the roof provide supplemental energy, and the high-capacity battery system allows silent, emission-free living for extended periods. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class Motorhome isn't just a step forward for RVs, it's a redefinition of what mobile luxury can be. It blends the comfort of a 5-star suite, the elegance of an S-Class, and the practicality of a modern motorhome into one breathtaking machine. If this is the future of travel, then the road ahead is looking very bright.